Hello everyone, welcome back to Kev Tech. I know it's been a while since I posted the last video, but it's here. It's finally here. I got my new monitor for my new computer. The computer is going to be arriving later, but the monitor came and I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. So I'm going to unbox this, turn it on, and let's go through it together. Alright, and now we are going to unbox it. Here we go. Got my trusty scissors here. Cut the tape right here. There we go. Put these away. And you guys are gonna get the first peek. Look good? Let's see. Oh, all right. Let's move on. All right, so this is the box when it's open. We got these wires here. I'm going to talk about these in a second, but for now, let's just put these off to the side. So it looks like what we have right here is the bottom mount. So this is going to be the bottom mount for the stand for the monitor. Let's just set that right there. And then I would assume that this is going to be the actual stand of the monitor, or for the monitor. Yes, I was right. All right, so this is the stand for the monitor, and this is the bottom part of the stand. So we're going to connect these two things in a second. Got some instructions right here. Read those later. Very good packaging, might I say. All right, and here we have the actual monitor. Oh, perfect. Don't really want to break anything. Ooh, this looks nice. So here's going to be my new monitor for my new setup. All right. All right, so now we are going to connect these stands together. So we just push up on the bottom, push this little screw up, and then we are going to connect these right here. And I am going to just screw this in just like a screw. There. All right, want to make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. It's all screwed in, and this is going to be my stand for my new monitor. Let's take this off. There we go. It's official. All right, so now we're going to mount the actual monitor to the stand itself. We're just going to put this right in. And just like so, my monitor is ready to go. So this is going to be my new monitor. This is what I'm going to be doing all my gaming, editing, schoolwork, all that stuff on. And I'm super excited how it looks and how I'm excited to plug it into a computer and see it boot up. So let's go do that right now. All right, so guys, here it is. It's all plugged into a power supply in another computer, so it's all ready to go. But before we turn it on, let's talk about a few of the specs. This is a 1440p monitor that can run at 60 Hz, and it has an IPS panel, which means you can see great colors. So let's turn it on. This is the very first time it's turning on, so I'm extremely excited. Wow, that runs incredible. So here it is. This is my monitor. If you want to get this exact same monitor, I'll leave a link below down in the description so you can check it out. And please leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos from me on the monitor or on the new computer that's coming. But without further ado, let's go and do the outro. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, then be sure to check out this video right here. And I will even give a special shout out to my two helpers who helped me film this video. Also, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Turn on the notification bell and comment down below what you want to see future videos of. But without further ado, thanks so much for watching. This has been Kev Tech. See ya.